One of my viewer on YouTube commented, what do I use to clean the scalp when I'm doing treatment for people with bad edges and patches? So this is what I use. Black seed, clove, star, bay leaf, fenugreek seed, and rosemary. These are the dry herbs I use. All you're going to need 7 bay leaf. Then the rosemary, you're just gonna need few stick. Then also you're gonna need 30 gram of fenugreek seed, and then clove and black seed 30 gram each. Then the star you need 7. Then into a boiling water onto the pan, just go ahead and add it and stir it and leave it to boil for 30 minutes or 45 minutes. The longer the better. Okay, this you can use it for extreme use only. Bad edges, you got patches, you're losing hair, alopecia. Use this water, you will thank me later, I'm telling you. So once it's boiled, you can leave it to ferment for 2 days or 1 day. Then you strain it like this. This is the natural color. But if you want to add coffee, go ahead and add coffee and honey. Just use 2 spoons. Then you mix it very well. Then you can go and use it onto the affected area just like so, because this will help to trigger the hair follicles to open so it can absorb any kind of moisturizer you use. Then you massage very well to allow blood flow and it stimulate the hair follicles and hair cuticle. Okay, this will help. So one of my viewer, I hope this help. So this is the video. You apply it everywhere, massage very well. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and like. If you want me to make it for you, I will.